Dr. Sai from Skin Zensation. So today I'll be telling you about the benefit of coke thread lift. Number one is the durability. If you compare it with other procedures, the benefit of having a coke thread lift, that the procedure effect lasts for at least 2 to 5 years, which cannot be compared with any other treatment procedure. Number two, instant result. Whereas other procedures take time for collagen boosting and getting the result, with the thread lift, the results are instant. You can instantly feel the lift with the coke thread lift. Number three, immense collagen boosting. 10 sessions of HIFU or radio frequency are compared to having one coke thread lift. It is such a brilliant procedure that it cannot be compared with those lifts. Number four, it also improves the quality and texture of the skin by increasing the skin rejuvenation because of excellent collagen boosting over a period of time. So don't be afraid of thread lift. It is a very simple and easy procedure with very good results and also not very painful.